Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Anya and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Essential Rewards order from Young Living for November 2019. So Essential Rewards is a program that you opt into once you become a Young Living member. It's full of perks and bonuses that make it really worthwhile, and I really do recommend it. So the first thing that is really cool about this program is that depending on the amount of money that you spend each month, you get freebies, because every single time that you hit a certain tier, they give you one more free thing. Every single month, I've really enjoyed getting the free stuff, because you get to really try and experiment with things that you really wouldn't order on your own, but you have the opportunity to see if you really do like it and potentially even incorporate it into your permanent routine. So definitely a win there. You also get money back based on the amount of time that you've spent on the program itself. So depending whether you are on the program for like 3 months, a year, actually at the beginning you get 10% back based on, of course, your order, right? And that 10% is converted into different points that you could then apply for future orders on the Young Living site, that you could essentially get products for free. Then after you've been a Young Living member, actually after you've been in Essential Rewards for over 3 months, you get 20% of your order given to you back in points. Same thing applies as I just described. Then I do believe after 2 years in the program, you get 25% of your order back in points that you can then apply to any future orders as well. I find this super cool because then of course you can accumulate all these points and get a lot of stuff for free, which is amazing. So let me start and show you all of the things that I got this month. And I must say that the majority of the things that I did buy are repeats, and I really have enjoyed all of these things. I recommend them. I mean, they're definitely things that I repurchase on a regular basis because I really have enjoyed using them a lot. Let's start off with the Seedlings baby wash and shampoo. This has definitely worked great for me and my family. We've used it on both of our kids and it's worked out very well. I dilute this. I put it 1 part this solution and 2 parts water, and I put it into a foaming hand soap dispenser, and it's really worked out great. The scent is really good. Again, no artificial fragrances or anything like that. It's really healthy and clean ingredients, and I really do like it. My kids seem to enjoy it as well, and it's definitely a win. Super repurchased. This has quickly become a staple in our household for sure. And I'm going to actually incorporate right after this one the product that I got brand new this month, even though this is actually the only product that I purchased that was brand new, but it's in the same family, and it's the Seedlings Calm essential oil. So it's actually the same scent that is incorporated in all of the Seedlings line. So the body wash, the lotion, which is also a product that I use on a regular basis for my kids. So I liked the idea of buying this and incorporating it into their bath time and maybe evening and eventually even a bedtime routine. Just including this in the diffuser so that everybody can calm down. The next thing that I bought is a lemon essential oil. So I actually ran out of mine already, and these days there's a lot of diffusing of Thieves and lemon for sure. Everybody's sick right now, and it's very nice to have this in stock to put it in the diffuser. Also for my wellness rollers, which I already roll all over my son. He just turned 2 years old, and I've been using it probably for a few months now on the bottoms of his feet regularly. So he's sick right now, and I'm incorporating it you know, in the diffuser, in different things. This goes into a bunch of different DIY cleaning recipes. It goes into my face serum. It goes into almost everything. So I definitely needed to have this in stock. And funny enough, this past month I had something happen to my purse, which is actually like not leather. It's a pleather material. It's plastic, but it's kind of like a light gray, and my son was having his dinner, and dinner incorporated some spaghetti sauce. So noodles went flying and some of them landed on my purse. A few hours later, I actually noticed that that had been the case and tried cleaning it off. Well, the tomato sauce itself had really seeped into the material, and even though it, you know, from the surface it looks like it's easy to clean because you could just wipe it off and it doesn't sink in, the actual material, because it was light enough and I guess porous, it really sucked in the color, that pigment of the tomato sauce, and I thought I was like, the purse is done. It was light gray, and you have these huge like tomato sauce looking marks on them, like it's gone. And I put my all-purpose household, you know, cleaner, which is, you know, just the Thieves household cleaner with a lot of water, and I put some lemon essential oil on it, and it was the same. Like, it didn't do anything. I said, okay, that's it. It's a goner. That's it. And, you know, I really liked the purse. It matched very, very well with my wallet, even though I purchased them separately. But the purse, I bought it on special at Walmart, which, you know, Walmart prices are already cheap, but because I bought it on clearance, it was actually just $5. And it's a really nice like tote bag, like pretty big, like it could double as a diaper bag type of size. And what do you know, a few days later, my husband looks at the bag and he's like, oh, the stain went away. I kid you not, the stain is no longer there. The stain is gone. In the moment I said, well, it's not getting it off, and that's it. It's just a goner. But now I look back at the purse and I'm like, where was even, and it was a pretty huge stain. Like, it wasn't something that was so minimal that it's easy to miss. No, it was there. It was definitely big. It was noticeable, and it's absolutely gone. So I definitely credit lemon essential oil for it, but I did have to give it some time. The next thing that I bought is the Thieves dish hand soap. The Thieves dish soap. I actually bought two of these, but one is already in use. And one of the things that I discovered this month, which is definitely a win, is that I can dilute this as well. I was using it straight as it comes, and it wasn't really working as well as I wanted it to. Even though it was working well, I really wasn't like, wow, right? So now I actually diluted it. I have half of the solution that's in here with the other half water. And I actually used the other old bottle that I had from previously going through it. And I shook it up, and it does seem, the consistency does seem watery once you do that, once you dilute it. But I put it on my sponge, I go like this a few times, and it really does sud up really, really well. And I'm able to get a lot more use out of this whole bottle as well. So definitely a win there. I did purchase 2 bottles this month. I don't anticipate needing to put it back in my Essential Rewards order probably for another couple of months, which is definitely more than I had gone through before, because I was going through probably about 1 of these a month. So win. This month is full of wins. Next product that I got is the Thieves toothpaste, the Aroma Bright toothpaste. Can't say enough good things about this. I really like it as the, you know, its intended use, a toothpaste. I've mentioned to you before that I also use this as deodorant because I actually just dab a little bit of it underneath my armpits, just lightly coated, and it works great. If you have any questions on that, let me know. And then the last two things that I purchased is actually one same thing, and it's a Sacred Mountain bar soap. I really did enjoy the last time that I bought this soap. I remember I mentioned to you that it's really moisturizing, the scent is really nice, and I really did enjoy it. So I went in and purchased another two just so that I can have them in stock once the other one runs out. Even though I do get a lot of use out of them, I don't dilute it because there's no way you can dilute a hard soap. But I only use it for certain areas of my body. The rest of my whole body I use just shower gel or wash, so it doesn't, I don't run through it as quickly as just, you know, as if I were using it for my whole entire body. So I have two now in the mix, in the rotation, and I'm really excited about that. This month I also added to my order a Ningxia Red Essential Rewards kit. So it does include 4 of these bottles and then also 30 packets of the individual sized ones. These are really convenient when you're on the go, and even sometimes when I'm here at home and I don't have time to just pour, you know, some of this out, so I really like to have the option. I cannot say enough good things about Ningxia Red. Number one, it tastes really good. Number two, I really have felt that it has made a big difference in my milk production now that I am breastfeeding my baby. I don't know if this is something that it claims to do. I actually have never heard anybody talk about this, but it has helped me. And I don't know if it's because of the components of the antioxidants and really fighting to make sure that my body is at its optimum level, but definitely I feel the difference when I don't have it versus when I do. And even when I have less or more, it really does translate into less or more production as well. So I really have enjoyed having that on hand. I also purchased the Thieves Vitality Essential Oil, and they got me with this because I wanted to get this Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. Now you might be wondering, why did I want to get this one for free since I already purchased a big tube? But that's just the thing, it's the big tube. So I wanted this little one for when I travel for work, since I do quite a little bit of traveling, and it's so convenient to have this small one on the go, but I didn't want to get the 3-pack of the small one. And I probably should have prefaced by saying that this was part of the BOGO deal that they had this month. So if you bought a Thieves Vitality, you got a free Aroma Bright toothpaste. So those were all of the things that I actually purchased on my own, and the next few things that I'm going to show you were all things that I got for free this month because of those purchases. So the first thing that they were giving for free this month was 10 points back in for any future order. So as I mentioned at the beginning, because of the length of time that you're in Essential Rewards, you get a certain percentage back. Well, this month 10 points were coming back at the first level of purchasing, no matter what. So 10 points in my bag for next time I want to place a free order. The next thing that I got for free is this Lavender Lip Balm. I actually purchased one myself a few months ago, and I've been using it now that I actually ran out of the free one that we got, I don't even know, maybe 5 months ago, the grapefruit one, and it's really nice. I like this one actually even more than the grapefruit one, and the grapefruit one was really good. I've also used this already because my son is now sick and I've been blowing his nose nonstop, and he's gotten really dry around his upper lip, underneath his nose, and even around his nose. And so I've actually dug into this and wiped it all over that dry area, and it's soothed a lot. Of course, it's definitely not a miracle worker, but it definitely has helped very much. The next 4 things actually that we got for free are all oils, and the first one is Joy. I actually have this one in a 15 ml. I had heard great things about this one, and I wanted to get it so bad. Who cannot use a little extra joy in their life? It's very floral, it's kind of strong. I do know that a lot of people like it, and I also know there's a few people that don't enjoy it too much. I happen to be on the like it side, but not like crazy, like this is amazing type of thing. It's really nice. It's really nice. This other one that we got for free is Abundance, and I also have this one in a 15 ml, and I got it precisely because of that, because I want more abundance. And I haven't used it for that actually. I need to definitely dig into it, because I have heard that paired with affirmations and positive thinking and all of that good stuff, that it really does work. They included Thieves into the whole BOGO thing, and they included Thieves as a freebie this month as well. Good thing is that I run out of Thieves a lot because I use it so much for the different rollers and for, you know, all of the different things. So it's definitely not a bad thing that I have 2 different Thieves essential oils this month. And then the last one that we got for free is Hope. This one is a brand new one to me. I had never smelled it before or even knew it existed, and yeah, I'm excited to incorporate it into the routine and see how well it performs. So that was my complete order for the month of November. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you place an order this month and would like to share it with me, let me know if you've made a video, or let me know in the comment section below what you placed in the order, because I would love to get any new ideas for future orders as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in becoming a Young Living member, I will leave the link in the bottom bar. Just go ahead and expand it, and you can click on that and follow the steps from there. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out to me and let me know. I would love to speak with you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!